The Tabernas Desert in Almería is a unique protected natural space that enjoys the greater one number of hours of sun to the years in Europe and where rains are almost non-existent, a privilege of the nature that it impresses to all those that they stop to discover free arid heart of the Tabernas Desert. Next to the desert is situated the plantation of the Olivar del Desierto property, surrounded by natural virgin protected places with 500 hectares of vegetation and 100,000 olive trees. The Olivar del Desierto is an example to follow as far as the attainment of the best product, where in 1993 only were abandoned areas in semi-desertic state. After its preparation, it was made the plantation of the olive trees and the installation of the modern system of irrigation by dripping, where it's used until the last drop of water. Three are the varieties of olive planted in the property: Igual, Hojiblanca and Arbequina, that cultivated in the desert produce an extra virgin olive oil that is different by unique fruit tones and its excellent smoothness. The smaller olive trees harvesting is done by hand, and the biggest ones are collected with vibrator, with or without inverse umbrella, avoiding in any case that the olive don't contact with the land. After weighing the fruit and cleaning the branches, the maturation process begins to obtain an authentic olive juice that maintains in unsuppressible state all the properties of the olive. The fulfillment of these promises have done possible that harvest after harvest, Castillo de Tabernas is situated by quality and flavor in the best establishment of the world. When the olive juice has been obtained after the maturation that takes part in a process that have one of the last technologies advanced in an oil mill, the oil that have been obtained is transferred into stainless steel tanks with 9,000 liters capacity for its natural movement, where a rigorous analysis of quality is made for greater knowledge of all their properties as much chemical, scents, flavor and colors. When the result of quality have been obtained in the extra virgin olive oil production, Castillo de Tabernas is selected into the tanks that are located in warehouse depending on variety and the characteristic. The deposits that are made with stainless steel have a capacity of 55,000 liters. It is here where the extra virgin olive oil is preserved for its maximum enemies, the light and the heat. It also here where is applied one of the best processes to conserve the oil quality intact. The inertilization that has scrupulous hygiene rules in the totality of the oil mill, it makes the last extra virgin olive transfer into the cellar to come to their packaging and label extra virgin olive oil onto the order according to the effective norm of the country where will be reception and taste. Extra virgin olive oil Castillo de Tabernas. The first extra virgin olive oil that was commercialized on the world with 0.1 degrees of natural acidity. a very low acidity that guarantees the maximum quality of the select olives, and a rigorous process of maltoration before 12 hours with cool water and the maximum hygienic guarantees. From Olivar del Desierto, an inverse maxim is fulfilled in relation to the quality and the amount. Those kilos are sacrificed in the ground with the objective that only the best select olives from the tree get to transform themselves into the best extra virgin olive oil. The extra virgin olive oil Castillo de Tabernas with just 0.1 degree of natural acidity and a different characteristic flavor coming from a region that have unique climatic conditions, the Tabernas Desert.